Hello students, topic for today's lecture is minor contract. What do you mean by minor? Minor is a person whose age is below the age of 18 years. He is termed as minor, right? Now, what do you mean by contract? When a minor enters into an agreement, into a contract that is enforceable by law is termed as minor contract. Now, we'll have a look about the concept of it. An agreement made between two or more individuals creating responsibilities that are enforceable or recognized by law. A contract is an agreement applicable by law. The contract or agreement amid various individuals are formed and validated by the Indian Contract Act. Now, as per the Indian Contract Act, the term contract is covered under section 2H as an agreement enforceable by law. The essential elements of valid contract are like offer and acceptance, intention to create a legal relationship, lawful consideration, competent parties, free consent, not lawful object, not expressly void. And one of the main essential of valid contract is the competence of the parties to form a contract, right? Then section 11 of the Indian Contract Act states the capacity to contract for an individual to be reliant on three aspects. What are the three aspects? First one is that he should be a major. He must have completed age of 18 years. Then he should be of sound mind and he should not be disqualified from entering into a contract by any law that the person is subject to, right? Who is a major? A person who becomes who attains the age of 18 years is termed as a major, right? Now, what are the essentials relating to the age of majority? As per Indian Majority Act, the age of majority is 18 years. A minor is an individual who has not completed 18 years of age, so a contract with a minor stands null and void, since either party cannot impose it or cannot sue him because the contract is null and void. And even after the person attains majority, means after completion of 18 years when he becomes major, then the same agreement cannot be ratified by him. The difference here is that a minor's contract is void and null. So a contract, however, it is not illegal as there is no statutory provisions on this. So it is clear that a contract made with a minor is a void. I hope what is a minor contract and it is void in the nature of law must be clear to you. Thank you.